course, nagsasimula tayo sa isang vantage point sa buhay natin as filmmakers, as aspiring filmmakers, that you make films because it's your passion. It's your passion to tell stories. It's your passion to create images. Nagsisimula lahat sa ganyan. But again, if you really want to make it as a career choice, it should go beyond passion. I always say that passion burns you. Tama yung passionate ka about filmmaking. Because when I started making films, or I started my life in cinema in 1997, or even prior to that, I was so passionate about cinema. But what I realized really, and I guess this is something that I've been telling my students in film, it's also very important, equally important, to have discipline. Passion drives you, but discipline keeps you going.